Welcome to HikVision e-attendance approval tutorial. Upon login as an e-attendance approval, you are able to view your subordinate's duty roster, rest day, public holiday and approved leave. On the next menu, you are able to approve or reject OT requested by your subordinates. You can easily export these records to PDF and Excel. On this attendance menu, within the attendance menu, you will be able to view all your subordinates' daily, weekly and monthly attendance. You can filter attendance records by date from and date to, schedule as well as day type. You can also export these attendance records to PDF and Excel. As an approval, you can also apply on behalf of your subordinate's OT request. Next is duty roster. You can assign your subordinates different working schedule by selecting whole year or specific dates including rest day and public holiday. Click the Add New Duty Roster button. Fill in the group ID, also name and click Submit. Once completed, you can then assign different working schedules to your subordinates. You can customize your subordinates' working schedules by selecting preferences for the entire year, specific dates, including schedules from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. or 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. and select all days. Additionally, you can specify rest days, Sunday to Monday, public holidays, and your current state of residence. Remember to click the Apply button, and the table will be highlighted with colors accordingly. Lastly, you can assign specific employees or a group of employees to your created duty roster. Thank you for following my tutorial. For more info, kindly call 03-2148-7670 or 012-203-7670.